what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me?
Introducing a whole new way to cook, serve, and entertain with KRAUS Workstation sinks. The innovative two-ledge system allows you to work directly over your sink with custom accessories for every task, from meal prep to cleanup. Made with the thickest stainless steel on the market and a space-saving design, these sinks are a great fit for any kitchen. Add Pro Chef functionality to your kitchen with KRAUS Workstation sinks. Innovation for real life.